Now, the coronavirus pandemic has closed down museums and art exhibitions globally. The United Kingdom has now entered into one of its strictest lockdowns to curb the infections, which is why one augmented reality exhibition is attracting a lot of Londoners on the shores of Thames. The augmented reality is being used to show weightless sculptures. Our next report gets you the details.
Art lovers and tech enthusiasts are rushing to the shores of London's Thames, armed with their phones and tablets. They are experiencing a unique art exhibition enabled by augmented reality. AR or augmented reality is an interactive experience of a real-world environment where objects which live in the real world are enhanced using technology. So these art lovers are seeing invisible objects. All they have to do is scan a QR code plastered to several red life buoys with their gadgets. And then giant, colourful digital sculptures come to life. The exhibition is titled Unreal City and provides a safe way of enjoying art in the public space.
Many things that we were anticipating that they would become relevant and even urgent in a few years, they were kind of fast forwarded through the pandemic. You know, everyone questions whether we should travel so much and whether we should ship expensive artworks in big crates across the globe. I mean, progressive, ecologically aware audiences maybe don't think it's ideal to fly all the way to another continent for a weekend to look at art and fly back home. During a period when all museums in the UK, for instance, are closed, we actually staged a massive artwork in the art show rather in the public sphere, and it shows at least the potential. In the first, we know that this there are challenges, there are limitations, but it does work, and we have reached thousands of people already with this strange new art form, a dematerialized art form. You know, weightless sculptures hovering in the air above the river. It's a strange.
The walking tour is spread across some 24 iconic locations in London, between Waterloo Bridge and Millennium Bridge on London's South Bank. And Londoners can enjoy 36 digital sculptures created by famous artists. The list includes names like Nina Chanel Abney, Ko Jeong, Darren Bader and more. This exhibition is the brainchild of AR art platform Acute Art, in collaboration with British culture publisher Dazed Media, and will run across London till January 5th.
And one of the ideas has been to democratize art, to in a way make art visible in places where normally it's not visible. I have nothing against traditional art fairs or museums, of course. I spent my life working for such institutions, but there are people who don't live in major capitals where there are big collections in print.
Armed with their tablets and smartphones, these art lovers are enjoying unique digital sculptures. From a giant ice cube, a huge spider, to even some absurd humorous situations created by artists. As people across the UK enter the new year in one of the strictest lockdowns in the world, this unique art exhibition is going to provide some much-needed reprieve. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
Co-presented by Skoda, simply clever.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.